Oh, here. Oh, hon. We're just going to let this hang. We call this a floating light. And we just let that hang on by the wires. It's not supported by anything. And every time I pull my chain, I'm jerking my wires just a little bit more and getting everything a little bit more loose. And all we had to do, actually, if you look at the box, there's really, you see, we got screw holes right here and right here. This is supposed to be screwed to that. We all see it. We all know what it's supposed to look like. But what we don't know is how come it turned out like this. What happened? I mean, was it Friday? We got a lot of Friday afternoon stuff happening here. Or maybe it was Monday morning. I don't know. Whatever it was, it should be this guy's last day on the job. You don't call that done. Well, they did. All right, here you go. Here you go. I love this next one here too. All right, so look at here. Oh, here's my junction box. So I got wires going in, wires going out, and wire going out. But they just snipped it off right here. They just cut it off and just left it stuck out of the box. And you know what the crazy thing was is I did test it because I didn't want anybody to get hurt. I had to make sure that before I walked away, if it was safe, it was hot. It was still wired. That means anybody that touched it was going to get electrocuted, or going to get the shock of their lives. I just wonder, was it hot when they cut it? Or did they do it after? I don't know. But come on, really? Even if you're not an electrician, you know better. You do, you know better. But maybe we need this electrician. This is maybe the electrician. Oh, look at it. So you know what this is you're looking at? This is your power line coming into your house. And instead of actually attaching it to the wall like right here, like you're supposed to, they just laid it on top of the roof. No kidding. Laid it on top of the roof. And it's just laying up there. It's just the wind blowing it around. And there's my lines going back into the house from here. What do you say? There, you got a winner. You got a winner. Actually, I reversed that. But anyway, here we come in right here, and this is actually coming back into the house. And this is my ground actually coming back from the pole. And so this is my lines coming into the house and back. I told you backwards as I was looking at this. But you see, we have screws here. I guess they're just too rusted out. I don't know. I don't know. But I tell you this much, it don't belong on top of the effing house. But that's what we got for a winner. I think what happened is this same electrician was on this job. Oh, now look here. So this is my power line. This is my power lines coming in, right? And this is the tie standoff or tie off here. And this is what we tie off our power line coming from the pole. And it's a brick building. It's solid. But look at this. My porcelain standoff right here, my insulator is literally pulling out of the wall. And we don't have this attached. We should have a brace right here to help attach this so as that this holds itself up. So nothing's going to hold this up. A little snow, a little wind, a little bit of shaking, maybe a squirrel running on top of it, literally liable to pull this out of a wall. True winner. True. I don't know. Guys, folks, go out there and look at your house. If you had an electrician do this, call me. We're going to take him to court because he's just too stupid to be on his own out here. Yeah, I was shocked when I saw that. Now's my breaker box right here. And here's my lines coming in here. I did good here. But right here, I guess I just forgot to put the nut on here to help hold this here. But it's all clamped up real good. It's just sitting there just dangling. That's all. Just dangling out there. This is my power lines inside my breaker box. My electrical lines is coming in and out of my box. How this passed any type of inspection, I do not know. But this is what you get. I hope that they didn't pay everybody the full amount. But here you go. Oh, I like this one. Oh, here you go. Hey, Mom, I'm short of wire here. I need a bit of an extension cord to light this up. Well, look at this. They just literally took my wire here, put a couple wire nuts on it. We didn't run out of black tape. That's how come we only got the one. And put an extension cord on it. And we energized it by plugging it into the wall. There it is. Winner, stupid award. So, of course, naturally, we got our waterproof cover over top of it. Not. I mean, just everything here is just dangerous and dangerous and dangerous. I don't know. Keep your children away from this contractor. Okay. But don't send him out in the yard to play because he's liable to find this. Here it is out here in the middle of the yard. I don't know what it used to be, what it plugged into, but you can see no waterproof box, no waterproof cover, no GFCI. It's got openings right in through here for water to get into it. I mean, you literally could make this a standing electrical shock. You know, if this got energized and there's water standing around there or snow, guaranteed you, we live in the Midwest, snow be getting up inside of here. And they thought that was just fine. But but it's not. It's not even close to being fine. It's not even close to being safe. But it is close to being way stupid, but not as stupid as this. Here we go. Must be the same guy. We got this one just stuck out here, and we started getting our weatherproof cover over top. We just forgot to put the cover on top of it, and then we got this over here and just coming up out of the ground. Actually, you couldn't see this in the picture, but literally my post is sitting on a wooden post that was loose, and that means everything was shaking. And sometimes even I am lost for words, and that's hard to do. Here we go. So let's go back to another electrical box. So remember where that one was coming out of the wall that wasn't secured? Well, they did real good on this one, except they cut the sheathing back, and now where this is clamped into it, every time it shakes or anything, it's cutting into my wires and literally is creating a huge electrical shock or electrocution or short, whatever it is, whatever's going to happen, it's not going to be good for you or it's not going to be good for them. Just hope small children ain't getting around that. But look at that. So your clamp is supposed to be going around as we all know, just like this. See how the clamp is going around the sheathing? The clamp is supposed to be around the sheathing, not like this. The sheathing is supposed to take the grip, not the bare wires. And they was having trouble then. And the white lights kept flickering, and we discovered that this is kind of the problem right here.